Hi everyone, I am here to show you how to cut liner brushes to make them very thin so that you can use them for drawing fine lines on your nails and also for filling in nail designs such as this right here. This is one that I've already done and it is very fine. It was quite a bit thicker. Here are two brushes that we're going to be working with. Let me show you what you're going to need. You're going to need a set of nippers, scissors. These are stork scissors here. This is just a brush I picked up at Hobby Lobby. It was a liner brush and I thought, well, I can trim it down. So that's what we're going to do. You want to start, when you trim your brushes, you want to start down here by where the barrel is. You want to start trimming close to the edge here. You never want to trim them up here. And then I'm turning the brush as I trim. And you can see that it's much thinner. And you can go even thinner if you want. Just have to be careful that you don't cut all the bristles. And if their hairs are spliced, you can come in up here and drag the scissors down and then snip down here. See around where the bottom of the barrel of the brush is here? Do you see those little clumps of hairs that I have cut out? You can take your nippers here and you can go in and nip those out of there if you want. You don't have to, but I like to do it. Make sure your nippers are pretty sharp too. I think it looks pretty good, really. And here's the other brush that I picked up recently. I did trim it some. It was quite thick. Here are these two brushes now. I think they look pretty good. I like them. Let me show you how I bring the hairs together. So here's some gel, and I just kind of wipe it through the gel just a little bit. And then I just pull it like that, and it just brings the hairs together. That is the end of the video on how to trim liner brushes so that you can do fine lines and fill in designs like this. Be sure to look out for the video called Stamping and Filling In. Thank you all so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.